How are we doing, guys? This is a very important video. It's going to be a little bit more serious than normal, but it needs to be done. Actually, in fact, if you guys are creators online, you own your own YouTube channels or you have websites like we do, I encourage you guys to be making one of these as well, okay? Laws in 2024 and 25 and the years to come are getting more strict on financial advice. And especially in cryptocurrency, we're seeing a lot of regulations come through. So what I want to do is I wanted to make a video, literally put a stake in the sand here and have documented proof. Okay, we have this in writing, but I want to have this audibly spoken and have video record of what Trade Confident is, who I am, and maybe more importantly, guys, what Trade Confident is not and what I am not. Okay, so let's just start here. Myself, Travis Martin, guys, I am not a financial advisor. I am not licensed in my jurisdiction to give financial advice to anyone. I have no desire to step into the role of being a financial advisor for anybody. Okay, this goes for all the future forecasts that I come out with. This goes for trade setups that I personally see in the market, okay? Not telling you to take any of these, okay? The indicators that we sell, our inner circle. Every time we do an inner circle with our members, the first thing I say in the beginning is, guys, this is not financial advice. These are just my personal opinions. So what I want to do in this video here is actually walk you guys through the different disclaimers that we have. And understand this, I'm going to read them out and make them very clear and plain. If you don't agree to any of these, guys, please remove yourself from the Telegram channel. Remove yourself as a subscriber to our website. Cancel your subscription. Cancel your subscription to our YouTube channel. Don't have anything to do with any of this if you don't agree with everything that I state from here on out, okay? All right. I know this is strict, guys, but in 2025 going on, I do believe the bull market, my speculative opinion is that it's going to get... it's going to be littered with scams all online. And so I want to do a video to show you guys who I am and be transparent and upfront. Even if the SEC or legal authorities watch our YouTube channel, I want a record, a video record to clearly state who I am and what I am not. Okay, let's start here. On all of our videos, I want you guys to see this. We have a disclaimer, not financial advice. So first and foremost, guys, nothing we talk about is financial advice, meaning do not act upon any of this. But this is not enough, okay? There needs to be a written statement in the description somewhere on your guys' website that states you're not a financial advisor. So this is what we have done. And I'm going to read this out to you guys so you can all see this, and I'm going to make this transparent. I'm even going to go into the email signature after this and get even nitty gritty into that, okay? If you do not agree to any of this, unsubscribe from our membership, get out of our Telegram channel, unsubscribe from YouTube, do not have any part. Here's the disclaimer. Do not act on any opinions expressed in this video. This is not financial advice. These are strictly personal opinions expressed by Trade Confident LLC representatives, myself and Jake. We're the only people on YouTube in our business here. Okay. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a required disclaimer. Okay. Crypto is extremely risky. Expect to lose everything. Okay, I want another record of that sentence there. Crypto is extremely risky. Expect to lose everything. Okay, guys, always do your own research and consult a financial advisor before investing. All right, that's on all of our videos. And we even have the not financial advice statement on there as well as a visual. So we have a visual and a textual warning. All right, let me head over to the website. I want to show you guys something else. I know, guys, it's just a little bit more intense today, but this is serious stuff. There are too many people who are going to get scammed out there, and there's too many people claiming they're financial advisors, or you should be following them, and you should not be. You should not be following me for any advice to make money. Now, listen, on our future forecast, I want to read you guys a disclaimer here. The information on this page are personal opinions only. Personal opinions. Guys, everyone's entitled to their personal opinions and speculative thoughts about the markets. That's the freedom of the United States. But listen, the information on this page are personal opinions only shared by Trade Confident staff and is not intended as financial, investment, or trade advice. Okay? By viewing this page, you are agreeing to the website's disclaimer and terms and conditions. We'll go over that in a second. If you happen to act on the information on this site, listen, you do so fully at your own risk. Again, I'm going to add this in here before I finish reading this last sentence. When you guys purchase a membership with Trade Confident, you are purchasing literally like a movie ticket into my life. You are not purchasing a membership to copy what I do. You are not purchasing a membership to copy what I do because that's just stupid. Okay? Nobody do anything that I do. I want to make that very clear, okay? What you guys are viewing are my speculative opinions about the market and how I am choosing to trade my account and my funds. I don't want any of you guys copying me. Why? Because there's risk. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't know your full situation in life. Yes, I put $1 million into the market and we've got documented video and screenshot proof of that. But that doesn't mean you should put $1 million into the market, okay? And I want you guys to hear this out and clearly hear this. You are fully responsible for every decision that you make. So I don't want to have, I know guys, we're having a family talk here. I'm being strict here. I don't want any emails coming in saying, Travis, you did this, I decided to do it and I lost money. No, you are taking a risk. Do not act on any information that you see on any YouTube video. Do not act on any information you see on the trade setups. Do not act on any information you see anywhere on our website, Future Forecast or Inner Circles. Again, what I am doing is I am allowing you guys to look into my life and I'm being transparent and honest with what I'm doing with my funds. And I'm going to make a ton of mistakes, guys. I'm not always going to say the correct things. I've even found videos where I accidentally say the wrong balance on our account, okay? They're not intentional, but I'm going to make errors as well, okay? Let's continue. Okay, trading crypto is extremely risky and you could lose everything. Again, guys, required disclaimer. Always do your own research and consult a financial advisor before investing. Now, if you guys click on disclaimer, you guys will see the disclaimer. This is, if you own a website, you better have a page talks about disclaimers, okay? Content and postings, not financial advice, the full disclaimer. Hope you guys are reading this. Again, not investment advice, okay? Indicator and repainting. Guys, I'll be honest and upfront with you guys. There are times when our indicators could fail. The data feed through TradingView may not always be accurate. We've actually seen our indicators repaint and it wasn't the indicators. We were actually able to go back and find that TradingView re-quoted their data and it caused indicators to repaint, okay? But you guys are taking risks. And I'm gonna say this just fully upfront as well. We show testimonials on our website and we actually have even a disclaimer in here. I'm not sure, it's probably on the terms and conditions. If even just the disclaimers that we show, the testimonials that we show. Guys, using our indicators, there is no guarantee that you're making profit with those indicators at all. In fact, using any financial product can incur a lot of risk. And there have been people who have used our products that don't make any money. And one, they potentially don't follow the rules that I'm using and they don't use them well. But then there's just the honest truth. I'm not going to just sit here and say they're great indicators. There are times, guys, where the indicators are going to have false calls and they're not going to have the greatest setups for you guys. I'm not claiming 100%, 90%. I've been on record saying that sometimes our indicators with visual proof, we've been able to do about 80 to 85% accuracy on some of the indicators. But understand, guys, even the indicators that you purchase, there is no guarantee that you guys are going to make any money with this. Okay, again, I want this to be a visual and an audible statement here. There's no guarantee. So I hope you guys are getting this, and I'm driving this home. I want to actually read one more part here. So let's go back over here. Let's go to the future forecast. I want to actually read you guys. Well, let's just go down to the terms and conditions. I want to just keep this fully transparent, guys. Okay, terms and conditions. Take a look at this. Age requirements, billing and payments, accuracy of information, third-party services, links to other sources, intellectual property rights, the use of TradingView indicators, okay? Disclaimer and warranty. What we've done is testimonial disclaimer. So even the testimonials we have on our website, testimonials are believed to be true based on representations of the person providing the testimonials. Okay, here's what people do a lot online is they go, let me find that scroll bar here. They go and they take their testimonials and they just put them online and they don't actually give like any proof that it's real. What we've done, guys, this is why this looks so silly and it's so clunky, is that we didn't want to just write a testimonial. We took screenshots here, and even to protect our own members, like we write it up here, we don't want people to know who these people are. So we actually came in here and we blanked out their names for their privacy. But every single testimonial you guys see here, I give you my God honest word, we have not manipulated one of these. These are all screenshots we've taken from interactions with members who have written into us either through email, they've posted on the public website. And listen, guys, if you see any testimonial here that you guys have written into us and you're like, hey, Travis, I've changed my mind here. I don't feel like I want it on the website. Guys, email us, we'll take it down. We're just trying to keep things honest and transparent. There are going to be so many scams that come out, guys, that claim that people are making these results, but they have no screenshot evidence that that people are even doing this. and they're being successful. Like, I'm showing you guys all the profits, but let me just clearly say this too. We've had emails come in where people use the indicators and they're like, they've lost money. So listen, guys, I'm telling you, if you purchase our indicators, there's a high likelihood you could use them of how we believe they should be used, and you could still lose all of your money. Okay. Guys, we're going here because 2025, I believe, is going to be an amazing year for everyone, but we need to make sure that we are all on the same page. We have a huge disclaimer at the bottom of this page as well that I hope everybody is reading here. Okay, now I want to take this even further and be a little bit even more transparent with you guys, okay? I want to actually come over to our email. So every email that we do with you guys, we have an email signature. And I want to read this disclaimer out to you guys. This is all of our correspondence over email. By using any of the product services, you are acknowledging that Trade Confident LLC, its owners, content publishers are not registered investment advisors, legal or tax advisors, or brokers/dealers. All investment/financial opinions expressed through Trade Confident LLC material and products are personal opinions and are meant for entertainment purposes only. That has to be in there. Entertainment purposes. That's a legal disclaimer that needs to be in there. Although best efforts are made to ensure that all information is accurate and up to date, occasionally unintended errors and misprints may occur. We're just being really honest, guys, because we're not perfect. All trading strategies and content are used at your own risk. Please read again our disclaimer, our refund policy, the terms and conditions before continuing. If you do not agree, do not proceed. Again, I know this sounds harsh. This is a video record online for all of our members and anyone interacting with Trade Confident LLC. If you do not agree to everything I'm speaking about in this video right here, unsubscribe from our membership, unsubscribe from our YouTube channel. Don't purchase anything that we offer. All right? Okay. I want to take this a little bit further now. Trade setups. This is probably the one that a lot of people have questions about. What are trade setups? Okay. When I say trade setups, you guys are literally being able to view my trading journal, my speculative thoughts about the market. That's what these are. Okay? When I show you guys these trade setups and I say, hey, here's a quality trade setup that I see, this is me literally having an online ledger journal of trade setups that I see in the market that our indicators are saying could potentially be good setups. This is me giving you guys the information from my perspective. Again, I am not telling anyone to take these trade setups. And again, you should not, this is probably the fourth time I've said this, you should not act upon any information that we display on our website. You're like, Travis, so why do you do this? Because this is how I want to express myself, okay? I want to show you guys that the indicators that we have, the thoughts that I have about the market, and when I implement them, I enjoy sharing my journey with the world. That's what I do. It's fun for me to do this. I enjoy sharing my speculative opinions with other people. And some people are crazy enough and they actually want to pay to watch me speculate in the market and make crazy decisions with my cryptocurrency. And if you guys are a paying member, you're one of them, okay? Guys, I could lose all my money. I don't want to, but I'm just trying to make this clear yet again. Now, here is something that channels are going to get in trouble on. They're making claims that they cannot back up. So let me take this a step further. This performance record of 269 wins and 0 losses and 14 active trades, guys, we keep this updated. And this is not behind a paywall. Our performance record is open to the public. What is not open to the public is the screenshots of where we actually take these trades. So let me go back over here and I'm going to try to do this. I'm going to scroll down here quickly so I won't give away, this is member-only content. If you guys want to pay for it, you guys can see what I'm doing. But what I want to show you guys is literally screenshots. These are all of our entries. These are all of our wins. All right? All these winning trades right here. You can see the original screenshot and you can see the result. The original screenshot and the result. Original screenshot and result. And this page goes on, here's how small this is. This goes on for an absolutely ridiculous a ridiculous amount of time. And then I believe at the bottom here, let me get all the way to the bottom here. Let me show you guys something. Okay, I don't know if we have the archive page on here, but even at the bottom, we actually might have all the trade. We actually do have all the trade setups on here because it's just such a ridiculous page. Okay, let me go back to the top here. I wanted to show you guys proof of this because we have an open ledger to the public. We call out the date opened, the date closed, the ticker. We show you guys the profit, how many buy limits were used, and we even go into the calculation of the percentage of winning trades that I call out in my journal to show you guys how well the indicators are at predicting moves up in the market. All right? The people are going to get in trouble in these next years by telling people, oh, we've won 10 trades and 0 losses. It's like, you better have a track record that proves that. In the previous years, guys, I believe we won 126 wins and 15 or 16 losses, depending on when you started. There's even records of that on our website as well. Okay, so we have not always won every single trade. We lost some in 2021 and 2022, and that's documented on our website as well. All right, guys, and the last thing I want to talk about is this. We'll get back over here. And then I want to actually show you guys this account. Okay, there is a term going around. I believe the term is enticement. And it's basically saying you cannot entice people to try to get into your membership or purchase your products by saying they're going to make X amount of dollars. Okay, and I want to make this really clear. I've already told you guys if you purchase our products, you could lose all your money. So how's that for an enticement? Okay, when I show you guys my account here, I'm taking this step, and honestly, this is actually a vulnerable step because it scares me sometimes to show you this on YouTube because it is so transparent. This is a legitimate live account. It has 1.988864, and we can and now it's 032. Okay, this is a live account. When I show this to you guys and I tell you guys we're $989,000 in profit, I'm not telling you guys that to sign up. I'm not telling you guys that you're going to make that money. No, I'm telling you guys plan on losing all of your money. All I'm trying to do as a YouTube creator here is try to be one of the only YouTube creators out there that I feel like is actually transparent and honest about their actual portfolio. Because so many people say, oh, I've made so much money, and look at the screenshot of where I've entered and I've exited and I made all this money. And it's like, dude, there's no proof to it. Like, those people are going to get in trouble by the SEC and get shut down. I've literally have records of showing you guys where my entries were, where my exits were. And I've even come over and shown you guys the transactions on my actual account here so you guys can see this. So when I show you guys profits that I'm making, where I've taken trades, where I've exited trades, understand this. This is just my life being represented online. Think of it as like a blog. I'm blogging and vlogging my life and my journey in cryptocurrency. If you want to pay to hear my thoughts about crypto, my speculative thoughts, then you guys can get a membership. But I wanted to just come out here, and I don't think I need to drill this too much further. I think I've done a good job here, but I just want to come out and say, guys, don't watch any of our content. Do not act on anything that I present in the YouTube videos, that Jake presents in the YouTube videos, and don't expect to make money. I know it sounds crazy. Don't expect to make money. Why? Because cryptocurrency is extremely risky and you could lose everything. I am just giving you guys the opportunity to purchase a movie ticket into the theater of Travis Martin's life. And with that, I'm going to make mistakes. I could lose all the money that I have. Okay, everything I talk about and I express is just my personal opinions. I even went as far, before I even record this, I used to have on, I'll go down here so I don't give away anything for just the members that are paying here, but I put this at the bottom of the videos. I used to have next moves. I went so as far, like I even just changed this on the website to say my next move, because I don't even want you guys to think this is your next move. These are not your next moves. These are my next moves of what I'm looking at. So really, this is a blog. This is a blog where I'm documenting my journey, and there's nothing wrong with that. But I'm telling you guys, please do not act upon any of the information that I share here. And if you are going to see this information and it does entice you, it is your responsibility to take this to a financial advisor. And then once a financial advisor looked it over with you and they can assess your personal situation in life, then you make the decision if you want to act on it. Okay? I'm going to end this video here, guys. I just wanted to have a YouTube video plastered on the top of our channel that I can always send you guys as reference in the past, in the future. There is documented proof that I'm not a financial advisor, and you guys, if you interact with any content that says Trade Confident LLC on it, you guys could lose and expect to lose all of your money in cryptocurrency. I'm a lot of people do this for 10, 20 years. I've been speculating in cryptocurrency since about 2016. I've been watching the markets, and I'm gonna tell you guys, I've made a ton of mistakes, an absolutely ton of mistakes. I feel like I'm getting better, and you guys know, if you guys watch my journey in the future forecast, I think you guys can see that. But don't let that give you confidence that it's going to be what the future looks like. Past results are not indicative of the future. All right? I love you guys. Email us in if you have any questions, and I am fully open and honest about everything we talk about here. Any disclaimers, if you guys have any questions, please email us. Again, this is something else that you guys need. Like, here's our support email, betradeconfident@gmail.com. Okay, betradeconfident@gmail.com. Under the indicators, we even give this to you guys. I think it's at the bottom of the page here. Here's our email address. You guys can email us if you have any questions about the disclaimers, anything. Okay, betradeconfident@gmail.com. I love you guys. Just want to put this video out here so I can have this as a track record for just who we are, and more importantly, what we're not. Okay? I love you guys, and we'll see you guys in the next blog post and post on the website or the videos that we come out with speculating what could happen next in the crypto market. I love you guys. Bye-bye.